So the first area we're going to take a look at is the website section. So we're going to take a look at the different layouts and some of the different things that you can do once we're actually in this tab. So instead of just using some of these quick links to the different sections, let's go down to the Manage Your Websites and Blogs tab, and we'll click on that. And this now takes us into just our website area. So we've got all the same buttons along the top, and then we're going to take a quick look at these different sections down the side so you have a good idea of what you can find in these areas. So you'll notice here on my account I've got total websites 3, and if I click this plus sign, it's going to expand the tree, and it'll show you that I'm currently managing my main site, but I've also got a mobile website and I've also got a demo mobile site. So we do give you the ability of building new websites. So by clicking on the Build New Website tab, this will allow you to create a variety of additional sites. So it'll give you a little write-up about what it is, and it also gives you the cost per month on the right-hand side. So if you have additional sites, then you can just go under the Websites tab, choose the site that you want to edit, and then you can go ahead and start editing that version of what particular site you're going to be editing. We've also got an Open Live Website tab, and what this does, it'll show you the live version of your website, and Open Staging tab will show you the version of your website that may have some unpublished changes. So if you had edited some pages under the staging area and haven't published those yet, then clicking the Open Staging website will show you the unpublished version of your website. So we'll get into that a little bit more once we start editing some pages. So that's what our first Total Websites tab is. Our Pages tab will allow us to go in and view all pages, to create a new page, and to access our master template. This will be the first section that we look at in a few minutes about how to go in and edit some information on the pages. We also have our blogging section, which will take us right to our blogging center, so we can create our first blog and then start making posts. And then we can also directly add a new post from this link here. Under the settings section, we can go in and update our menu and navigation. We can change our website theme. We can update images and files. We've got a web drive that you can store those documents in. You can view a history of all the changes in your website. You can view all the unpublished changes that still have to be sent to the live site. And then you've also got access to your advanced settings. We also have our personal info. This is a very important section. This is where you can update your name, subtitle, and slogan. You can update your email and contact information. You can add your social media links. So if you want to add your Facebook and Twitter accounts and link them up to the website, you can do that here. You can update your address information, and you can update your agent photo as well as your office logo on the website. And last, we have tools and utilities. Again, these are just some quick links that we've looked at already. You can access all your websites through here. You can make a new website. You can access your domains. You can view your web stats. And then if you are using Google Analytics and Google Webmaster Tools, you can access those from here as well. So just a quick breakdown of the different areas here that we have on the that you have access to. And again, a lot of these can be done directly from the top as well. So very easy to go in and find some of this information. So the next thing we're going to do is let's take a quick look. We're going to go back over to the first section here is Pages, and we are going to click on the View All Pages link. So this section will take us in, and this will give us a list of all the pages that we have on our website. So we've got our home page, our biography, blog, buying resources, contact, etc. So the first thing we'll notice is we're in the Live Site tab. So any changes that we make when we're under this tab will immediately be published to the website. Anything that we do under the Staging tab will be saved and will not show up on the live website. If we make a change under the Staging tab, we'll see up here that it'll show up in the unpublished window. At that point, when we are ready to publish that to the website, we can go in and publish it from there. The Staging tab is really great if you're going to be doing some extensive work on a page and you want to be able to work on it. You're not quite ready for it to be on the public website yet, so you can do the work under the Staging tab and just not publish it, and then you can go back and continue to work on it and then publish it once you're ready. Most people, for the majority anyways, will simply be doing most of their changes under the live site. And then we also have a quick list. So this just gives you a quick list of all the pages. When you mouse over them, it gives you the quick editor, your settings, your view and delete options. If we go to the expanded list, you get a few more options. So we've got our quick editor, we've got an advanced editor. You can view the page, you can edit the page's settings, you can delete it, you can save the page as. So if you wanted to replicate a page and just rename it something else, you can do that there. And then you can also view the history of the website as well. So any changes that you've made to that page. We also have a find pages here. So if you're looking for a particular page, you can just start typing in the name and it'll filter down so that you don't have to scroll through multiple pages. That's a great tool if you've added a lot of new pages to the website. So we also have our new page area. So clicking on the new page, this will allow us to go in and create a new page on the website. And then we also have our master template section. And by clicking on the master template, this will actually take us in and let us view what the template looks like and how we can go in and make some changes to it. So what we'll do now is let's go back to our all pages and we can go in and let's start making some edits to the website.